hell's that?
The radar side. It's gotta be out of action.
Oh, looks like we got something in that sandbag bunker right under the station. See it?
Yeah, it's my guess too.
What is it?
Machine gun, probably MG-42.
Jesus. Is that what got those guys? Maybe one of them's on board.
No, their patches are 80 seconds, so your luck's not that good.
Yeah, well, I don't know how fast the rest of you betties are, but I'm thinking we detour this way, quick and quiet. The Krauts will never even know we were here. So, Captain, what I'm trying to say is, why don't we just go around the thing?
I hear what you're saying, but we can't go around it.
I'm with Robin on this one, sir. I mean, we left them 88.
For the Air Force, the Air Forces are going to spin ordnance on one machine gun.
Captain. We can still skip it and accomplish our mission. I mean, this isn't our mission, right, sir?
Oh, that's what you want to do, Mellish? You just want to leave it here so they can ambush the next company that comes along?
No, sir, that's not what I'm saying. I'm simply saying it seems like an unnecessary risk given our objective, sir.
Our objective is to win the war.
Sir, I don't have a good feeling about this one.
When was the last time you felt good about anything? All right. Three runners with suppressing fire. Mellish, you hook to the right, I'll go up to middle. Who's going left? Who's going left?
I'll do it. I'll go left.
All right. Up and switch off with Jackson. And you linger in the rear.
Yes.
We advance and keep pressure on him until he has to change out his barrels. I think we should be able to hit him from grenade range.
Maybe I should go up the middle, sir.
The way you run, I don't think so.
Maybe I should go left, sir.
Maybe you should shut up. Ryben, base of fire. Mags and clips where you can reach him, and extra grenades for the base runners. More sulfur, Mellis.
Listen to my voice.
You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right, John.
Wade, you're fine. You're going on a hospital.
More sulfur.
Put my legs up.
More sulfur. You're gonna be okay, Wade.
Put my legs
You're gonna be all right.
I got him.
You're gonna be okay, Wade.
I got him.
Up, give me your canteen. Come on.
Pressure on
Come on.
him.
Get you out of here.
Pressure on him.
You're gonna be okay.
How's it look?
It's all right.
How's it look?
You're gonna be okay.
Be okay. Mel, get this one here. Here comes the morphine. Here comes the morphine.
Am I shot in the spine? Shot in the spine.
Lift him up. All right, easy. Easy.
Put some pressure on him.
Easy. Lift him up.
Okay, it's okay, dog. It's all right.
Wait, you got an exit wound. It's in the small of your back.
How big's the hole in it?
About the size of an acorn. It's fine. Okay, put him down.
You're fine. All right. Some pressure on him. Put some pressure on him. Some pressure on him. Put some more pressure on it.
Is there anything bleeding worse than the other?
Yeah, right here. You know what it is? Right here. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna put your hand on it.
We got some pressure on it.
Right there. Okay? That's the one.
Oh my God, my liver! Oh my God!
So come on, Wade.
Tell us what to do. Tell us how to fix you.
What do you mean? What can we do, Wade? Tell us what to do.
I could use a little more morphine.
Okay. Give it to him. Give it to him.
I'm dying.
Here you go, Wade. Here you go. Here it comes. There you go.
Mama. I want to go home. I want to go home. Mama.